Racing just started as they battle for the second. Erap Cup. Don Albertini break quickly at the start. Penrith in second, and in third comes Messi moving upon the outside. Canla on them. Next on Lenny's Hour. Angel's Dream is spinning Ridge second less, while Dixie Gold is the early trailer by about 10 lengths. Up the leader and down the stretch for the first time. Why don't we give a big round of applause for these 7 classic runners? We have Don Albertini enjoying a length and a half lead. And in second is Penrith Messi. Canlaon comes next. Our Angel's Dream is spinning Ridge, while Dixie Gold is still racing in less. Back to the leader. We have Don Albertini on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a length lead. Penrith in second. Messi still in third. Canlaon is down in fourth. Then comes Our Angel's Dream. Then next on Lenny spinning Ridge, while Dixie Gold is still racing in less. Racing down the next stretch. We have Don Albertini by about half length. Penrith remains in second. 3 lengths back. In third comes Messi. Canlaon now moving upon the outside. Our Angel's Dream is down on the inside. He's spinning Ridge, while Dixie Gold is still racing in less. Back to the leader of Don Albertini. Penrith now moving upon the outside. Our Angel's Dream. Messi, Canlaon, Dixie Gold, and is spinning Ridge. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now is starting to make the moves inside the last 400. We have Penrith, Our Angel's Dream, Messi, Canlaon is on the outside. Dixie Gold, Don Albertini, and is spinning Ridge as they swing to Rome. Canlaon now moving upon the outside. Our Angel's Dream is down on the inside, and on the outside is Messi. Last 100 meters, we have Canlaon by about 2 lengths. Our Angel's Dream, and finally the second Erap Cup belongs to Canlaon. Then comes Our Angel's Dream, Dixie Gold, and Don Albertini, or rather Messi.
Another long shot dito sa ating araw ng Maynila. This time, courtesy of Canlaon.
Canlaon.
Oo, napakagandang karera rin nito. Makita mo naman yung bakbakan nila pagpasok na rekta. Almost everybody had a chance. Pero nakakagulat si Canlaon yung final search sa home stretch.
And talagang locally bred.
At sa Canlaon, ayan, naririnig nyo yung music. Mukhang carry over yata yung take all. Eto, panoorin ka agad natin ang